In this video, we're going to take a look at the basics of the Appointment Center. You can navigate to the Appointment Center by clicking the Additional Modes drop-down button at the bottom right-hand side of the screen and click Appointment Center. Once you navigate, you'll be able to pick out your appointment center based on the department or location in which you work. You can also type if you need to search for that if the list is very long or doesn't work easily on your screen. I'm going to select Advising Undergraduate Studies just because I know there's some fake availability here in the system for that. On the main page, you're going to be able to see the scheduling grid as the default page that you see. This is where you'll use the center to schedule students for appointments and to check students in for scheduled appointments. You can change the care unit if you're working in a department with multiple care units. For most folks, that's not going to be applicable. You can search specific staff, one or more in this box. You can search specific services. You can only select one of those other than all services. This services piece is going to align with what the staff has set their availability for. So you'll want to make sure that you talk with your department about what type of availability setting the staff members are doing. You can change the date here by clicking this calendar. And when you do change the date, let's say I want to look at Monday the 8th, you'll have to refresh the page and click Please Refresh. Once it's done refreshing, it'll say the last time it was refreshed as well. When you're looking to check a student in or to add a student into an appointment or schedule them for an appointment, you'll be using their 9-5 number and entering it here on the Enter Student Name piece. While it says Enter Student Name here, we highly recommend that you use the 9-5 number as that's the only unique identifier for each individual student. There can be more than one Michael Smith, but each Michael Smith will have a different 9-5 number. Beyond the scheduling grid, you'll see this drop-down menu here, and you'll see you can go to the Drop-in Appointments area. Drop-in appointments is going to be something that you use if your staff has scheduled drop-in hours that they see students, or if they have a drop-in policy within the office where even outside of scheduled or non-scheduled drop-in hours, they see students. And this, instead of checking a student into an appointment, if you typed a 9-5 number into this space, would be adding a student to a drop-in queue either with a specific staff member or with a first available staff member. And then finally, the last page is going to be the Scheduled Appointments page. This is a great place to see a summary of the upcoming appointments for the particular day that you're looking at, as well as appointments that are in progress. And then finally, recent appointments from that day. You can see that right now all of these are empty. I'll show you this again after we schedule a few test appointments within the system. Feel free to take some time to navigate through these. In the test site with this yellow sidebar, you can't actually schedule a student for an appointment. Even if you send out emails and things through this, it's not going to send to a real student account. So please take some time to click through, navigate, try some buttons. When you're ready, head into the next video and we'll talk about actually scheduling a student appointment.